Instagram is currently experiencing a bug where messages aren't opening, and here's what's going on. If you've tried to message someone or check your DMs, you may have noticed that the message button isn't clickable. Even if it opens, messages aren't showing up. Strangely, if you have multiple accounts, you may find that the issue affects one account while the others work perfectly fine, though in some cases the issue can affect all accounts. Additionally, if you try uninstalling and reinstalling the app, the issue is temporarily fixed but resumes when you close and reopen the app. So, if you're experiencing this, you're not alone. This is a widespread bug affecting many users, and I'm going to share some workarounds you can use for now while you wait for Instagram to fix the issue. I'll also keep you updated on any new changes, so be sure to subscribe to the channel. Now, the first solution is locate the Instagram app on your home screen, then long press on it, and you'll see different widgets. So, select the Messages widget, and this will lead you to the Messages section directly on Instagram. But if that fails, the first workaround is, if you're trying to message a specific person, go to their profile, tap the message button on their profile, and you can send them a message. The only problem here is that previous messages may not appear, which leads us to the second solution. So, the other second option is, since this issue mainly affects the main app version, you can try installing Instagram Lite or logging into your account on a browser, either on your mobile device or computer. There, you can be able to send and access messages. Finally, you have to keep your app updated to the latest version, as the issue may get resolved in the latest update.